Starting us off at number 7, Mortal Kombat 9 on the PS3. The 2011 reboot that brought the franchise back from the dead. And it had a trophy that separated the men from the boys. My Kung Fu is stronger. You had to gain the mastery of all 28 fighters. That's 100 wins, 100 fatalities, 150 X-ray attacks, 10,000 pints of blood spilled, and 24 hours of playtime per character. Now you could do most of the online with 2 controllers and a lot of patience, but Mortal Kombat 9 also had online specific trophies. The competitor required 200 online versus matches, and Warner Bros. Shut the PS3 multiplayer service down, just like that. Those online trophies are gone. No more versus matches, no more competitor, no more platinum. The single player still works, you can still do fatalities till your thumbs bleed. But that platinum, it's locked behind a server that Warner Bros. Turned off and never looked back.